Today we are going to start with English literature, lesson number 3, Brave Bubbly. It is a story of a girl, Bubbly, and how she saved the children from drowning in a river. I am going to read it first. You can read it at home or with the help of your parents. Bubbly is one of the 9 children of a poor man. She saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. She got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005 from the Prime Minister of India. This is her story. Bubbly lives with her family in a small mud house on the banks of the Ganga. Bubbly dreams of going to school, but she cannot because her family has no money for the school fee. However, she has faith in hard work and in God. She is always smiling and helpful. So this is the paragraph how Bubbly is and what kind of family she was having. She was the 9 children of a very poor man, and she saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. For that, she got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award, and Prime Minister of India gave her the award in 2005. So, the Bubbly lives in the banks, that is near the river Ganga. Her house was near the river Ganga, and she wanted to go to the school, but her family has no money, so she could not go to the school. But still, she was smiling and helpful because she believed in the God and in the hard work. She always helps her mother with her work in the house. In the evening, she goes to watch the sunset over the Ganga. She loves to see the twinkling stars and the changing shape of the moon. 30th June 2004. Now the story begins. Okay, this date changed Bubbly's life forever. She was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset. From time to time, she would laugh at the funny actions of the 6 young children playing nearby. Sometimes they chased each other, shouting and screaming. Sometimes they ran around a wooden vegetable cart with wheels. When they got tired of chasing each other, they climbed onto the cart and started jumping and dancing on it. Now the story of Bubbly, how she saved the children, this will begin from this paragraph. Okay, children? So Bubbly was in the habit of going to the banks of Ganga river, and there she used to see the sky in the moon and stars. So on 30th June 2004, Bubbly was finishing her work quickly before the sunset in the evening time, and there were some children, 6 children were playing nearby when she was doing her work. There were 6 children, they were playing, and Bubbly was looking at them. They were chasing each other, running after each other, shouting and screaming like all the children. And sometimes there was a wooden cart, as you have seen the vegetable vendors having the wooden cart. So same kind of vegetable cart was there with the children, and all the children were what did they do? They climbed onto the cart and started jumping and dancing on it. The cart was standing on a sandy slope. The slope was there. That means it was very slippery and slope was there, so it was very dangerous and sandy. So the jumping and dancing of the children on the cart rocked it dangerously. Suddenly the wheels of the cart slipped. The cart with the 6 children still on it started rolling down the slope towards the river. The cart fell into the water with a loud thud. The children started screaming with fear. They did not know how to swim. So as the children were playing on the cart, and it was standing on a slope, so with when the children were jumping and dancing on it, the wheels of the cart, they slipped, and the cart, it fell into started rolling down the towards the river. The cart fell into the river with a big noise, and the children started screaming. They started with fear because they did not know how to swim. Nobody knows how to swim, so they were crying with fear and started crying for help. Bubbly heard their screams and raced to the spot. Many grown-up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river, but no one tried to save the drowning children. Bubbly also heard their screams and their cries, and she ran to the spot. Many villagers were there, people were there, big people, and they were also standing on the bank of the river, but it was very dangerous, so no one tried to save the children from drowning. It was Bubbly who jumped into the river and brought two children back safely to the bank. Then she jumped into the water again and saved two more children. As she got ready to jump into the river a third time, her brother came running to help her. Then they saved the two remaining children. The brave little girl had saved 6 children from the death in the water. So, it was Bubbly who saved the children. What did she do? She jumped into the river. First, she brought 2 children back safely to the bank, that is on the ground. Then she jumped again and brought 2 more children. And the third time when she was ready to jump, her brother came and he helped her to save the remaining 2 children. Both the brother and sister, they saved the remaining 2 children. In this way, this little girl Bubbly, she saved 6 children from the death, from drowning in the river. Suddenly, little Bubbly was a heroine. A newspaper reporter wrote about her brave deed in the newspaper Amar Ujala. He asked Bubbly's father to send her name for the National Bravery Award. Bubbly won the National Award and many other awards too. Bubbly is still the same simple smiling girl. She is happy that she could do something for others. She is a shining example of courage. So, Bubbly, or everyone started talking about Bubbly, how she saved the children, and many people know about her deed, what she did. So, when a newspaper reporter, he also heard about her, so he write about her story in the newspaper Amar Ujala, what she do, how she saved the children, and then he asked her father that her father should send the name of Bubbly for the National Bravery Award that is given on 26 January. You must have seen the parade, 26 January parade. Many children come there and they win the Bravery Award. So Bubbly also got the National Bravery Award and many other awards also. Bubbly is still the same simple smiling girl. She has not changed after she won the award, but she is still the same simple girl. She is happy because she could do something for others, and that's why she is the example of courage, bravery for others. So children, this is the lesson. Do read this lesson at home. Take the help of your parents. Tomorrow we will start with the exercises of this lesson. Thank you.